My name is Nick Huber, and this is my crash course in real estate. A lot more people should own real estate. It's incredibly tax efficient, and you can build a ton of wealth, you can protect it, and you can grow it really fast. Now, the problem with all of this is that it's not very approachable. It's complex. There's a huge knowledge gap. The select few people in our country who own real estate, they own it because their parents owned it and their parents before them. This is the stuff that they learned at the dinner table. This is the stuff that families know about and other people don't. Now, what is this course? This course is what I wish I knew when I was 24 years old with some cash in my pocket about to get involved. Now, I'm going to talk to you a lot about my deals. I'm going to talk to you a lot about my mindset, how I think about it, the skills that I think are important to be a real estate entrepreneur. We're also going to talk about investing passively with other people who do real estate deals. But most importantly, we're going to talk about the fundamentals. We're going to talk about leverage. We're going to talk about bankers and people who own property and how to buy it, how to sell it, how to value it, and ideally, how to make it more valuable. And we're also going to talk about the risk factors because this stuff is complicated and a lot of people lose a lot of money because they go about it in the wrong way. So who is this for? This is for somebody with the means to make real estate a part of their career. This is not for somebody who wants to get rich quick. This is not for somebody who wants to make their very first dollar in real estate by wholesaling or flipping a house. This is for people who want to make long-term real estate a part of their wealth building machine. And I'm here to tell you everything that I know about real estate.